started on drugs, I didn't choose to. It wasn't something that I went out on the streets and did because I wanted to. I had major surgery. And you see over there the prescription pills, pain relievers, they had to put me on that because if they didn't, I wouldn't be able to get out of bed in the morning. My stomach was open this far, across my stomach, for 2 months. And after I healed, I still thought that I was feeling pain, so I was going to my doctor, and I was still getting the pain pills. He was prescribing them to me for another 5, 6 months. And I was on so much of it that when he took it away from me, I did whatever I could to keep doing it, to go out on the streets and buy these pills. And I thank God every day that, I don't know how I did it, but I never picked up a needle. And I'm lucky, because it goes from those pills to that needle. It's just a step away. And those pills almost killed me. Has anyone in here had any kind of surgery or anything? Okay. Now you guys were given pain relievers for it, right? They feel good, right? After a while, they don't. They don't anymore. I'm thankful that whoever has had surgery isn't using it anymore, because it will kill you. My best friend that I grew up with, her name was Shannon, and she had a big problem with heroin. She lived with me in my apartment, and I made her detox on my couch because I didn't want that crap in my house around my daughter. I didn't want it. And one night, she told me that she was going to go out with a couple of friends. She had babysit for me in the morning, and I had a suspicion that she was going to go and get high. I kicked her out. Told her, come get your stuff tomorrow. Don't come back after that. Now, mind you, I grew up with this girl, 15-year friendship, and I kicked her out because I was so angry. I never saw her again, because those people she went to hang out with, she got set up. My best friend that night was murdered. She wasn't shot, she wasn't stabbed, she was beat to death in an apartment complex where people went and bought heroin from. I don't know personally. I couldn't follow it because it was too hard. I don't know personally if she was high when she was killed, but she was murdered. This stuff does not discriminate. Job, prom queen, it doesn't matter. Anybody, you, or you, it doesn't matter. You pick it up, you're going to have a problem. There's no such thing as social, because it never stays that way. No matter how hard you try, it doesn't. I'm one of the people that I can't go and have a social drink because I know that it's going to lead to something else. I can never drink again in my life. Even though I never had a problem with alcohol, never been an alcoholic, I know that if I take a drink, I could go and call a dealer because I'm not going to be thinking right. And I know that you're the same way, you're the same way. We can't do that. You guys have to be really careful, because I don't want to have to see any of you in the newspaper in the future. Be like, you know what, I talked to that kid. I talked to that class. I don't want to have to do that. It's preventable. It's 100% preventable.